Welcome back to another unboxing review with TellnotorTellasis. By the way, how are you doing? I am doing super great, as you can see. In today's video, I am gonna be replacing this Acer laptop right here. This baby had served me for over 10 years. Thank you, Acer. And I am gonna be replacing it with this gaming laptop. Okay, guys. It's not gonna be forming to you guys right now like I am a gamer, because I am not. I am simply a content creator. But this baby right here got recommended to me at Currys due to its powerful AMD series and graphics. So guys, let's get straight into the unboxing and see how this baby had been serving me for some time now. I had been using it. Let's go. I am super excited. First of all, let's assess the packaging, because you know packaging is consumers' first attraction. Okay guys, as you can see, it's coming straight from Currys, oozing of chassis. Beautiful products is like a sweet wine to my soul. This packaging is top notch. Anyways, with these HP trademarks of quality and authenticity sales everywhere, you can confirm its originality. Here are some of the top qualities I am looking forward to enjoy in this Omen laptop. AMD 8-core Ryzen 7 5000 series, 512GB solid-state drive, 16GB SODIMM on 4GB RAM, Windows 10, Radeon 6000 series with 8GB graphics, 6-cell battery life, meaning it can last up to 83 hours, and 4-zone RGB light. Guys, this is dope. We will get into them in details later, but now let's get into the unboxing and then get into the real user experience. There I will explain more of it, or we will explore it together. Okay, let's keep going. I am super excited. You guys should have known the way I'm breaking this box. Thanks to Currys, they recommended this one for me, and I have used it for quite some time now since I made this unboxing to actually see how it works before I bring up the review, and it's actually looking and working fine. Here is a product manual, so you can check out most of the product information. Let's keep going. So this is how it came. If you are not seeing your laptop showing up this way when you open it, you better return it. That's not Omen gaming laptop. It has seal front and back. That is chassis quality. Now into my user experience. This charger here is really super fast. I mean, I was not able to estimate the exact time it took me to charge this laptop the first time I did charge it, but one thing I know was that it's really charged super quick. And the good part about it is after charging the laptop, it takes days before the battery gives me warning to recharge it again. This means that them saying that it lasts up to 83 hours is not a hoax. It's actually true. You know, though it may take less than 83 hours if you are really a gamer, but for me, because I am not a gamer, it's lasting up to that, as they claimed. Here comes the beautifully molded made black Omen 16.1 gaming laptop with a small sleek logo display on top of it. I love it. Look at the vents. They have loads of vents, meaning that overheating is not for this laptop. Here comes another vent with two USB ports, 3.0 USB ports actually. And here comes another vent. I told you that overheating is not for this laptop at all. And here comes a super speed power connector, like I said before, RJ245 network jack, USB 3.0 port again, dual mode display port connector, HDMI 2.1, a very high resolution high HDMI, super speed type C port, headphone connector, and full size SD card port for creators. And as you can see, it's as slim as you can get. This is the best you can get for its competitors. Very slim and sleek and not heavy at all. So everything you want in a gaming laptop is packed here. Now let's pop it open. And you can see another mark of chassis. Look at the matte black with a micro edge anti-glare screen. You can see there was a light there, but it's not really very reflective. So let's have a look. Look at the matte black. This is so sweet. I love it. cool. I love the feel. This HP Omen, instead of Intel Core, it came with AMD Ryzen and AMD Radeon graphics like I earlier mentioned. This means that it can work for an extended period of time without burning up, lagging or hanging, and still maintains great latency while playing game for gamers with the best graphics display and dual speaker. At 165Hz refresh rate, it means it comes up in split of seconds. Not like my old laptop again, which I have to go to bed once I click refresh. So this laptop is aka Apple Azza. If you know, you know. So it's time to see some of these stuffs we talked about. Oh wow, as soon as the laptop comes on, the color block lighter keyboard also comes on. This actually will enable ease of typing even in the dark. How convenient. Okay, let's quickly get through the setting up and see the rest of the things that we talked about.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Guys, pardon me, I'm gonna fast forward this step because I believe you can follow the voice prompt and it's easy to follow to set up your computer. Therefore, with this said, I'm gonna fast forward to the next step so that we will see more of the user experience, which is the core thing for me.
Is that correct?
Cool, it's all set up and it's time to test and see how quick browsers open, the volume and others. Okay, I go to Firefox first. Wow, super speed. And I open YouTube. What I love most is that for me that creates content, I open lots of web pages, and in my old laptop, if I open lots of web pages, it slows the laptop down. Sometimes it shuts down. But with this laptop, I can open up to 20 web pages at the same time and they will work effectively good and with the same speed without none of them stopping because the other one is playing. This is what I love. Another thing I love so much about this laptop also is that I can be working on it continuously for 2 days without shutting it down. It will never heat up. It will never kind of take time to refresh. Whenever I open the laptop and start it up again, it answers me straight up in a split of seconds. So whatever they say is true to the product. Look at it, the containers playing simultaneously with no delay, hanging at any point or anything. This was one of the something I can't do with my old laptop. But remember, that laptop had been with me for over 10 years and still functioning. Just that because of old age, there are so many things it can't do. But even at the beginning, I am not able to open as much containers I am opening in this one right now when I got in newly. So this is a bonus for this laptop. Also, the volume is so good. It uses dual speaker HP audio boost, which is good but not as good as the Dolby audio sound at my old laptop. And the picture quality, the graphics, super great. You can watch movie super clear. So yeah, it is so perfect to what they said it is. So let's try the refresh rate, and I go to refresh. Super quick, you see, super quick. I do it again here. Super quick. Let's try out the Omen key now and see what we have there. This is the first time I am clicking on it, opening it, setting it up. I haven't used it before because I am not a gamer. Actually, since I bought this laptop, after covering this unboxing, I decided to use it for some time before posting this review so that I will see exactly how it worked. And I have used it for months without using this gaming one. This is the first time using this gaming one, but I have used every other part of it as a content creator and I am loving it all the way up. There is a whole lot of setting inside this Omen key. You just have to explore and use them, even checking the heat rate, a whole lot of diagnostic things going on in here, which I kind of find cool for gamers. Here is gallery of games, any game you want to play. I haven't tried any of them because I am not a gamer, but someday in the future I'm gonna try it. Also, you can change the color of the keyboard and reset it to your desired color if you don't want to use the color that it came with. This is how it works, the resetting of the color. In case you simply don't need any color, like leaving it neutral just like I'm using it, you can do so. Typically, they called it the 4-zone RGB keyboard. This means you can back 4 different independent zones with different RGB lighting. Okay, then let's try out the video editor, which is actually my core interest because I am not really a gamer. The video editor is actually very easy to figure out, and it has all the inbuilt editing tool you need to create a great video for your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc. What I made here is a picture collage video. Look what I got, though it is in 1080p but looks crispy clear. The power of AMD Radeon. While we are at this, I want to mention that this laptop also came with free 1-month trial of McAfee and ExpressVPN, so you will get to enjoy that perk. There we go, how I quickly put up this picture collage video, which is awesomely beautiful with their own theme. You can see it has everything you need to edit your video: add title, trim, split, all of them. The only thing it's missing is voice recording, which is very important. Generally, I'm in love with this Omen laptop. It's already introducing me into the gaming world, but I will suggest in the next model, boost the audio base of this product and also add voiceover feature in the video editor to complete its creator strength. Though I know it is specifically meant for gamers, but boosting the video editing tools will also boost consumer desirabilities too. Speaking of that, gamers need it too because some of them are also content creators. I have streamed with it as well, and the result is nothing short of amazing. You can click this link above to see the streaming result I got when I streamed with it. So this laptop is simply amazing. You can pick up this product from Currys just like myself, or even easier, just click the link down below to start having a look at what the offering price of this product is right now. I got mine at amazing price from Currys. After all, they boast to have the best price you can't get anywhere, and I think that may be true. Anyway, clicking this link and buying through this link does not give you any additional charges. It's just an affiliate link, right? So guys, this is it for this video. Have you subscribed yet? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, girls, ladies, lovelies, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel. Click that like button if you haven't clicked it, or the thumbs up, whatever you call it, click it. And don't forget that we love to hear your comments, so leave us a comment what you think about this product and the general comment about this video. We really want to hear from you. And finally, share. Thank you, and thank you for being with us and listening till this very stage. So see you in the next video next week. Bye.